When you think of Egypt, you think of pharaohs, pyramids, and a deeply rooted Islamic culture. But what if I told you that inside this historic Muslim nation lives one of the oldest Christian communities on earth? A community that has preserved its faith, its language, and its identity for over 2,000 years. This is the world of the Coptic Christians. Making up roughly 10% of Egypt's population, millions of Christians call this Muslim-majority land their home. They have lived here side by side with their Muslim brothers and sisters for centuries. Today, in this series, Minorities in Muslim Lands, we explore their untold stories and daily realities, their joys, their challenges, their faith, and how they continue to thrive in modern Egypt. Welcome to Minorities in Muslim Lands. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let's begin this journey together. To truly understand the reality of Coptic Christians today, we must travel back 2,000 years. According to tradition, Christianity arrived in Egypt around 42 AD, brought by Saint Mark, one of the writers of the Gospels. The biggest turning point came in the 7th century, when Arab Muslims, led by Amr ibn al-As, entered Egypt. Unlike the Romans before them, the Muslims offered the Coptic community a historic covenant of protection, known as the dhimmi status. Over the following centuries, Arabic became the dominant language, and Egypt gradually transitioned into a Muslim-majority land. But through all these changes, the Copts never disappeared. They adapted, they preserved, and they continued their ancient faith in the land of their ancestors. Today, the most iconic symbol of their survival and identity is a small cross tattooed on their wrists, a proud mark that they wear from childhood to the grave. This simple tattoo tells a story of 2,000 years of faith, resilience, and unwavering commitment to their Christian heritage in a Muslim land. To truly understand the Coptic Christians of Egypt, one must look beyond history and step into their daily lives. Today, walking through the streets of Cairo, you will find a unique cultural blend.
ده احسن كشري في الدنيا.
انا جايز اكل اكتر منك.
العيد ده يجمعنا كلنا
عائلة من العربية يشاركون الطعام المصري التقليدي ويحتفلون بالطهي بجنب إلى جنب مع جيران المسلمين. إنهم جزء كامل من الهوية المصرية.
However, their religious calendar brings a beautiful, separate rhythm to life. The center of their community is the local church, which serves not just as a place of worship, but as a social hub for families. Here they find support, celebration, education, and a deep sense of belonging. Their most sacred times of the year are Coptic Christmas, celebrated on January 7th, and Coptic Easter. During these festivals, churches are illuminated with... It is a vibrant, living culture that continues to thrive in the modern Arab world. Despite all challenges, the Coptic Christians of Egypt stand as a living bridge between ancient history and today's reality. While the story of Coptic Christians is one of incredible survival and resilience, it has not been without deep challenges. In recent decades, the community has occasionally faced targeted violence and social tensions from extremist groups. Yet, every time tragedy strikes, the true bones unloamed its riches during press. These Christians have done this during prayers, that humanity and brotherhood go beyond religion. Today, the Egyptian government is making active efforts to rebuild historic churches and promote national unity. New churches are being constructed, and initiatives for dialogue and coexistence are being strengthened. The story of Egypt's Coptic Christians is a powerful reminder that coexistence is a daily choice. It is a story of resilience, deep faith, and shared humanity in a changing world. Thank you for watching Minorities in Muslim Lands. If this story touched your heart, please like a video, share your thoughts in the comments, and some more untold stories from around the globe. We will meet again in next episode. Until then, stay curious and respectful.